welcome to Nikita Said Physics. So in this video I am going to explain concept 2 part 2. In my previous video I explained you concept 2 to part 1. So our part 2, our first topic is characteristics. Characteristics of real object formed due to plane mirrors. Characteristics of real object formed due to plane mirrors. So first point is, our meaning of this headline is, if the object is real, what are the characteristics? If the object is real, what are the characteristics? So first point, if the object is real, the image will be virtual. Real object, then virtual image. If the object is real, the image will be virtual, and vice versa. The image will be also vice versa. Then our second point, if the object is real, the image will be virtual, erect. What is meant by virtual duplicate, and erect means what is meant by erect? See, if you are combing your hair, you will be facing on a mirror. So observe in that. If it will be like this, if you are like this, it will be like this. Your right hand will be in your left side and your left hand will be in your right side. So that is erect. The image will be virtual, erect, virtual and erect. Then consider this as the plane mirror. This is the size, incident rays, reflected ray, normal, reflected ray, normal. So N, A, B. Here the reflected rays are extended. This is A dash and this is B dash. Okay. So here the size of the object is equal to size of the image. Here this is the image and this is the object. This part is object and that part is image. Here size of the object is equal to size of the image. One of our characteristics is size of the object equals to size of the image, and the distance of the image is equal to distance of the object. Distance of the image is equal to distance of the object. Distance from the plane mirror, okay? Distance from the plane mirror of the object is equal to distance from the plane mirror of the image. They are equal. And our third point is magnification. What is meant by magnification? It is the ratio between, in physics, okay, in this concept, it is the ratio between size of the object and size of the image. And it is the ratio between height of the image and the height of the object. Then formula, magnification is equal to size of the object by size of the image. Size of the object by size of the image. Here I told that size of the object is equal to size of the image. Then let the size of the object be 25. So find the image. Size of the image means the size of the image will also be 25. So here 25 by 25 means 1. This cancels, so that is 1. Then in minus sign, minus, if object is minus 25 means image also will be minus 25. Here minus symbol, sign are cancelled, 25, 25, 1. So m is equal to plus 1. M is equal to plus 1. The deviation means size of the object by size of the image, and the final answer is m is equal to plus 1. Then our last topic of our concept 2. What is meant by field of view? What is meant by field of view? Field of view and field of view. So the region between two extreme reflected rays. The region between two reflected rays are the field of view. Consider this as the plane mirror. This point is considered as O. The incident rays. Because this is the object, because these are incident rays. Here, there is not a rule or a law. The incident rays should be that the incident rays should be 1 or it should be 2. No. The incident rays can be infinite. We can draw more incident rays. Okay. So here, these are reflected like this. It reaches its parts. This is reflected ray. Here, this is the last reflected ray. Okay, this is the last reflected ray, and this side this is the last. So these two reflected rays are extreme because they are the final, last, so extreme. So between this region is called as field of view. See, if a man standing here, these men can see their image in the mirror. If the man standing here means the man can see the image, the man can see that his body in that mirror? No, because they are not in this region. They are not between this region. Okay, so this is called field of view. Okay, so our final topic also over. So this is our concept 2. If you understand this video and like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you friends. Bye.